Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily change the width of polylines. Let's check out the function for changing polyline width in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility to display the Drawing a Curved Line menu, and then click on Change the Polyline Width. Select the polyline you wish to change, then press Enter. Enter the desired width value for the polyline on the keyboard, and press Enter. Let's change the width value to 1. Type 1 on the keyboard, and then press Enter. You can see that the width of the polyline has been successfully changed. We've used the utility function of CADian CAD to change the width of a polyline. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.